Let's create a pivot table off of some QuickBase data. First, click on Data, from Other Sources, from the Data Connection Wizard, ODBC DSN, Next, QuickBase via QNect, 32-bit, Next. We'll choose the Projects table, Next, Finish. Now we get to choose between a table, pivot table, or pivot chart and pivot table report. We'll just do a pivot table. We can put it into an existing worksheet at the top left corner. Click OK. And here we are in our pivot table. Let's look at estimated cost as a value. We'll summarize the priority. We have our project costs summarized by priority. If we go and add new projects to our QuickBase table, all we have to do is click refresh and this data will update.